Hello everybody, welcome back to my spoken English channel. And as grammar matters, let's learn English grammar with Aparna Tiwari. So let's start. In my previous video, I told you about vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. All vowels have a short sound and a long sound. For the vowel A, apple. A is a short sound of vowel A. Cat. G at. A is a short sound of the vowel A. Cake. A. A is a long sound. K at. A is a short sound. B ache. A is a long sound. For the vowel E, J at. Jet. A is a short sound of alphabet E. Vowel E. Eat. F-E-E-T. Feet. Here E is a long sound of the vowel E. For the vowel I, ish. E is a short sound of the vowel I. The long sound of I, I, t. I is a long sound of the vowel I. Short sound of vowel O. Clock. O is a short sound of vowel O. Rope. O is a long sound of vowel O. For the vowel U, sun. A is a short form of the vowel U. Long sound of vowel U. Cute. U. U is a long sound. For the vowel U. Let's do it once again. At. A. Bake. A. A is a short sound. A is a long sound of the vowel A. At. A is a short sound of the vowel E. Leaf. E is a long sound of the vowel E. Pig. E is a short form of the vowel I. Ice cream. I is the long sound of the vowel I. Dog. O. O is a short sound of the vowel O. Boat. O is a long sound of the vowel O. Jump. A is a short sound of the vowel U. Unicorn. U is a long sound of the vowel U. So students, you must practice the short sound and the long sound of all the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So don't forget to practice and also like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Bye-bye.